This isn't a ride-sharing app, it's a speed machine. And the reason Uber works has nothing to do with cars, drivers, or pricing. Uber wins because it removes time from your thinking. Not actual time, mental time. The hesitation between should I and it's already happening. Most products make you decide. Uber makes you submit. And once you see how that's designed into the interface, you'll never look at fast products the same way again. Most rebuilds focus on features, maps, pricing, buttons. But speed isn't created by features. It's created by removing pauses. So instead of copying Uber pixel for pixel, I rebuilt it with one AI prompt to expose the invisible system underneath, the UI decisions that make hesitation impossible. This entire interface you're about to see was generated from a single prompt. No tweaking, no rearranging, no fixing things off camera. Because the goal isn't perfection, it's to reveal the pattern. First, notice what isn't happening. There's no menu urgency, no feature exploration, no visual debate. The map dominates everything. It isn't decoration, it's commitment framing. You don't ask, do I want to ride? You ask, where am I going? Next, look at the ride options. They're stacked vertically, not horizontally. That's not aesthetic, that's a time decision. Vertical lists feel finite. Horizontal carousels feel optional. And the CTA? It doesn't beg, it waits. Large, calm, ready. This works because Uber is built on decision elimination. Principle 1. Speed through inevitability. Once the map loads, the ride already feels chosen. Principle 2. Reduced cognitive branching. You're never asked, what now? You're asked, confirm. Principle 3. Momentum bias. Motion implies progress, and humans follow progress. Uber doesn't convince you, it moves you forward until stopping feels wrong. But speed has a cost. Uber sacrifices exploration. There's no joy of browsing, no curiosity. Everything assumes urgency, even when urgency doesn't exist. That's why Uber feels cold, efficient, transactional, and that's intentional. This is product thinking at its purest. Uber didn't optimize for delight, they optimized for completion time. Get in, get out. Don't think. When you design for speed, everything else becomes negotiable. The reason one prompt works here is because Uber's logic is simple. Remove choice, remove delay, remove doubt. When the system is clear, AI mirrors it effortlessly. If you want access to the full rebuilt UI and the same patterns I use in every episode, they're available in the MetaBuild AI library. Next episode, we'll break down a product that uses the opposite strategy. And if you want to support the channel directly, the Cash App is linked below. No pressure, just fuel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. You can follow MetaBuild AI on all social media platforms and visit metabuildai.gumroad.com to find today's UI build kit, along with other products used to create this content. If you want to support the channel directly, you can also send support via Cash App, $MetaBuildAI. I'll see you in the next build.